Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Unfortunately, I forgot to do an intro to this video, but today I'm just gonna take you guys along with me to do some makeup shopping. So please forgive me. My vlogging skills are not up to par, as this is, my second go around with this whole situation, but I'm pretty sure you guys get the logistics of things. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, thumbs up this video, and let's go play in makeup. It's a peachy color.
Baby, you let me try. I give you what you want. Girl, take it, baby, you go blind. You say that I'm just wasting my time. You say I'm too hard to handle and full of bounds. Say that I should give you up, cause I'm better, but baby, you're not. Giving you up, no, I ain't giving you up. I don't love and try. Giving you up, no, I ain't giving you up. I don't love and try. Giving you up.
Also came here to buy me a new face thing.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
Fashion Nova, some Gucci Squad, and that's about it. So yeah, let's go.
She's a roller coaster, oh she's so sick. I'm burning up inside but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her, she can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her.
This, you guys, is Balm.com. This is what I was telling you guys about, the Makeup Revolution Forever. This is in the shade Rose Gold. And I think I'm gonna get this one. Doop, right in the bag. Oh, a hangover?
Yep, right there on top. You got the primary and
Yes! Thank you, that's what I was looking for. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're good.
This is the last one. So Ulta now has sells BH Cosmetics now. Oh my god, we are so blessed. They sell BH Cosmetics. Back we go. Hello. Wait. Oh, boom.
There will be no more lonely nights. Baby, you let me try. I give you what you want. Girl, take it, baby, you go blind. You say that I'm just wasting my time. You say I'm too hard to handle and full of bounds. Say that I should give you up, cause I'm better, but baby, you're not. Giving you up, no,
Alright guys, so I did not feel like going upstairs to do the remainder of this video. Basically just showing you guys what I got. So I was like, forget it, I'll just film downstairs. It's a lot easier. I don't have to go through the whole thing of cutting on my lights and doing all the other stuff. So I was just like, why not? And plus it could give you guys a different scene besides the retarded ass scene that I have in my makeup room. But yeah, so anyway, so I went to Sephora and Ulta, as you can see back here, and I purchased some beauty products, some makeup products. I believe I spent probably like $230 today, which was a freaking lot because, oh my god, look at my lipstick. Ooh. Yeah, so I spent $230 today, which was a freaking lot of money, especially you know, the fact that I really didn't buy that many products. Like, I believe I probably like bought 7 products I really like, and it's just like I spent $230. Like, what was I thinking? Like, okay, let's go ahead and get into the products that I bought. I'm super excited about a lot of these. We'll start with Sephora, since Sephora was the first store that we went to today. I was really in need of a new facial brush. The one that I had, it was just some pull down mess. I went and I purchased the Clarisonic Mia, whatever, Clarisonic cleansing brush thingy, I guess you can say. I've heard some really great things about it. It is the #1 cleaning device brand recommended by the U.S. dermatologist. So yeah, so this was $99. I know, a whole lot of money to spend on facial care, but I just feel like it's so super important to make sure that you take care of your skin. And then I also purchased my favorite, of course, the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. This is my favorite. This is a must-have. I don't think that I would ever freaking go and get another foundation. Like, I think this is the one for me. I freaking love this stuff. And then I also purchased the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer. This is in the warm sand. I got this because I've heard a lot of great things about it, so I just wanted to get something different, a different type of concealer. It's like, I like trying out different products or whatever. All right, and then I also just purchased just a little blush thing by Sephora. This is in the color Heat. I just really wanted to kind of, I don't know why I bought this. I just thought it was pretty, so I just went and purchased it. All right, so moving right along to Ulta, what I got from Ulta. I don't know, Ulta has like kind of like became like one of my, I believe it's like my favorite makeup store. More so than Sephora. I don't know why. I just feel like I get more stuff out of Ulta than I do out of Sephora. But anyway, so first things first, one thing that I definitely went into Ulta to buy today, which was my main goal when I went to Sephora, was to get the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 set, primer, set, refresher, spray. I've heard so many great things about this product, and guess what? This was the last one standing in there. So I was super excited when I seen that they had one left. I was like, yes, finally, my luck, finally, because I'm telling you, all day today, all the products that I wanted, they haven't had it. They've been sold out, or they just don't sell it in store. So I was really happy. I was hyped. Yeah. I purchased the BH Cosmetic Blushing in Bali. This is a 6-color blush and highlighter palette. So I just really just love the tones in this. And then my next one is the Makeup Revolution Liquid Highlighter. This is in the color Rose Gold. If you've seen my last video, I actually have the Luminous Liquid Gold one. I love this stuff. It is popping. It's the best. Like, it really just makes you just glisten. Like, you just bomb, girl. Like, dang, girl, I see you. You popping. I see you, girl. All that shining and glistening. And then I purchased an old fave, which I just restocked on it because I was running low on it. It is another concealer. This is by Tarte. It's the Shape Tape concealer. I just love this concealer, so I just cannot give it up. And I also just bought the Morphe beauty sponge. I just wanted to try it. Just wanted to try it out, see what all the hype is about. To see if it's like a really good sponge. But it just looks so small, and I got a big ass face, so I don't know about it. I just purchased a NYX Epic and ink liner. I purchased this because this has, it seems like, I don't know, with that little spoolie thing, I guess you would call it, not spoolie, but the little thing on it, on my other one, I just cannot get the perfect wing liner, and I'm really practicing and hoping that I can start achieving that. A perfect wing. With that little thing, I don't know, I just don't have any control over it. It's just like, yo, you trying to make a wing and it really just looks like half of a chicken leg. It's just, let's see if we can try to find something that will actually help when it comes to trying to make that wing liner pop off. Yeah, and this is by NYX. All right, so that is all that I have. So yeah, so this was really exciting. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget about the giveaway that's going on right now. It's going on my Instagram right now. Go ahead, shoot over to my Instagram channel. Go ahead and start following me. Add a friend underneath the giveaway post. You gotta be 18 years or older to even get in. And come on, like I'm ready to give stuff away to people. Like I really am. Like I really just want you guys to participate. So come on over, let's do this, let's get it done, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.